looks like this driver doesn't care about other road users. The driver was totally busy with their phone, he mixed up the lanes and he was forced to make a maneuver that wasn't too safe.
Thank you. He was giving me the finger, so I said one more time for the camera, so I turned it on. This guy behind us.
Give you the finger?
Yeah, he's giving me the finger.
The driver had plenty of time to notice the biker, and even despite that, he drove straight in front of him. Excessive speed took completely control over the motorcycle. We have a very similar situation here, but the main reason was target fixation and braking on the bend, due to which the bike straightened up and got thrown out of the bend.
The sand. I think I was lucky. Not too much, huh? Thank you. Thanks, okay.
Unfortunately, he was forced to brake on a bend and he didn't have a chance to get out of this situation safely.
You good? You there?
Kicked it into neutral, yeah.
Here we go.
Unfortunately, this race ended badly for one of the bikers who fell out of the bend and flew right into the trees.
That was so sick.
Was that Alfred?
Yes, go, go, go. Go now. Go. Now. Someone get ready. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alfred, please be okay. Alfred, please be okay. Oh.
He's calling.
What?
He's calling right now.
We're calling 911 right now. Yeah.
Tell him not to move. He doesn't look good, dude. He really doesn't look good. Yeah, just tell him not to move. Make sure you
I can't. I'm not going down there.
How fast was he going? Fast? Really fast? Back there?
Yeah, straight here. Thank you guys.
Well, I'm a nurse.
Any help would be great. He's not doing good.
Well, that's one of ours. He's left on the side.
It's going very fast.
He's unconscious?
Yeah, he's down there.
Oh my God.
He flew, it's got to be 10 feet into that tree.
Why are you going on a chicken green?
Because
This is the situation in which the biker decided to confront the driver and explain his inappropriate behavior on the road.
One 72968. What are you on about? What are you on about? Huh? Are you thought hier? Wat? Nee, maar wat is jou? Wat gaan jy aanhoor? Huh? Nou is jy bang. Nou is jy bang. Huh? Bra?
Don't be common, please. Be in front of the school. Just go.
Oh, van die skool. Jy's groot bek daar aan die ander kant. Nou wil jy doen nie. Huh? Ek was eers by die stopstraat. Okay meneer. Okay meneer.
Okay.
Ja, hy is bang. Dis wat jy is.
Okay, you're a big boy. You now prove yourself. You cannot go.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, you're a big man. You prove yourself.
Doesn't matter. You were the one that came after me.
I didn't.
You came after me.
You hated me.
And now you are Ek verstaan. Hy kom agter my aan en nou sê hy 'n klein poepel. Alright. Hierso. Ry veilig asseblief man.
Alright, so.
doesn't matter. If I'm going left, I have right of way.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.